Hello everyone, welcome back to Nail Art by Nessa AliExpress nail art haul videos. I'm Vanessa and you can call me Nessa. In this video, I'm trying to catch up. I moved in the beginning of November and I had packages in boxes because I was kind of moving in the summer as well, so it got a little confusing. And I have quite a few packages that I haven't opened yet from like June. A lot of these I ordered back in May and they didn't arrive till like June, August. So we're just gonna start opening these packages and hopefully eventually we will catch up. So let's get started. So for my first package here, I ordered this March 27th and it arrived July 9th. I paid $7.01 and I got these two gel stamping polishes, and this is from the Beautiful Secret store. So this one is called Despair Rain. So let's just take a look. And get it out of the box. Yeah. Okay, so it's like a green color, it looks like. I haven't actually tried using these yet. Oh, it's a really nice shimmery green. So I am gonna do a video coming up soon, as soon as I have time, to do some kind of video on the stamping gels, test them stamping and see what other things I can do with them, because they're quite thick and pigmented. So anyways, the next one is Snowing Day. So I'm assuming this might be a white. Oh, it's actually a silver. So I've also heard that these are really good for like one stroke nail art, so I was thinking it'd be really interesting to try that. And I do have a lot of these stamping gel polishes. Originally I thought I would do everything in gel because I do tend to use gel polishes. I didn't know at the time that you can mix mediums, so I actually do all the stamping with regular stamping polish and then I just go over it with the gel. So I haven't actually tried these yet. Okay, for the next package, it looks like two more stamping gels. I ordered this May 5th and it arrived June 11th and it was $9.19, and this is from the Nail Girl store. Okay, so what colors do I have here? This one's called Summer. An orange color maybe? Oh, it's a fluorescent orange that's leaked everywhere. So it's all in the lid, as you can see. Okay, and what is this one called? Fragrance. Okay. Oh, and it's purple. So I believe this purple is also a fluorescent purple. Yeah. And it also kind of leaked, so maybe the package got a little squished. Okay, next package. Let's see, I ordered this one May 18th. It arrived November 4th. And it was $2.39. Oh, and it's one plate. And I got this from the Wakefulness official store. So this is a 2Joy plate. And as you can see, it's like little animals. So we've got a pig, a dog, a bear, and a koala. And they all layer together. So you can see there's like a little face here that you can put on. Oops. And then you can see how the dog layers and the pig, yeah. So this is 2Joys 125. Okay, my next package. I ordered this May 20th. It arrived July 2nd. I paid $2.29, and this is from YZY ART Store. So this is pretty tiny, but it is metallic silver base, and it is gel. When I ordered it, I didn't expect it to be so tiny. But let's open her up and see what it's like. Not as easy to open as I thought. Okay, scissors. I'm afraid to open it now because I'm afraid it's gonna leak everywhere. Okay, so there it is. It is very silver. Oh, and it kind of stinks. Yeah, whew, it's got a strong smell. Okay. Okay, for the next package, I ordered this one May 18th. It arrived October 28th, and I paid $3.07. And this is from the Women's Fried Store. I'm gonna have to double check that. I might have wrote that down wrong. So this one is just like a little palette ring. I did actually ask for my money back for this one because as far as I was concerned, I didn't receive it. And then it did arrive October 28th. But I mean, from May 18th, that's a long time. But they refused to give me my money back. They said I had received it, which I hadn't. So I'm not that keen on like ordering from that store again. And I do understand that the coronavirus messed with the mail, but they weren't very nice about it when I hadn't received my product. So anyways, regardless, it's just a little like palette for, you know, if you're doing some kind of intricate design, you can put a little bit of polish on here, and then it's just easy access because you can hold the person's finger and then go straight to your palette and their nail. So anyways, I'm glad it did eventually arrive. Okay, so next package. I ordered this one May 24th. It arrived June 24th. I paid $3.88, and it's also from the Nail Girl store. I found I've shopped a lot apparently at the Nail Girl store, and I don't necessarily specifically target a store. I'm only now starting to kind of see which ones I really like better. You know, it's really, I go for whatever's cheapest. I'm cheap and I like to pay as little as possible for all the things that I buy. So this is a Born Pretty plate. So Born Pretty XL012, and it is all flames and the phoenix. So we got 3 phoenixes and lots of options of flames. So pretty cool. Okay, and next package. I ordered this one May 26th. It arrived November 2nd. I got a refund for it because it did take so long. And it was $3.13, and I ordered it from the MIOBLET official store. So for $3, I feel like it's not a lot in here, but they are really pretty and they're really tiny. They're smaller than what I expected, so. But lots of pretty colors in there. Okay, next package. So May 24th, I ordered this one, and it arrived June 29th. It was $5.53, and this one's from the WITUSE franchise store. I'll have all the names listed below in the description for this video. So these are just extra heads for my e-file. And I got them in 2 different grits. Does it tell me what the grits are? This is 180, and this one's 120. Okay. For our next package, I ordered this one June 15th. It arrived July 24th. I paid $1.25 for this, and it was from the YZY ART Store. It did come in quite a large package comparatively to what it was, and I found they all spilled out into the package, so I kind of had to pour it back into the bag. But they're really pretty, really cute. There's like all different sizes and colors. I could definitely see these for nails in the summer, like some kind of water nails, like these are like little bubbles. That'd be really pretty. Okay, the next package, so June 15th I ordered this one. It arrived October 28th. I got a refund. And this is from the Meet Across official store. And this is just another bottle of the Meet Across transfer gel for foils. So I found this one to be my favorite, so I decided to buy an extra bottle. Just because it goes on pretty thick, so I was kind of afraid I was going to go through it pretty fast. So yeah, I do recommend this one, though it took a really long time to arrive. I did get a refund for it. And yeah, this product works really well. So I just set it in the UV light for 60 seconds and then attach your foil, and it transfers perfectly, I find. Okay, so next package, I ordered this June 15th. It arrived October 28th. So I got a refund for this one. And originally I paid $2.10, and it's from the Nail Country store. Okay, and so as you can see, it is like little gears and stuff, but unfortunately they leaked out everywhere, so they're kind of not in their homes. And for $2.10, it took forever for it to come, and you know, there's not that many in there, I think, so I don't know if it was a good purchase or not, but I'm happy to have them. Okay, next package. So this one I ordered June 15th. It arrived July 23rd. I paid $3.18. And this is from the JUNAO crystal store. So these ones, you can see how large the shells are. So they're kind of like overly large. I wasn't really that happy with this, though. I mean, saying that, there are lots of little ones that you can use in here. But yeah, it's not my favorite purchase. I don't necessarily recommend this. Yeah. But we'll use them on our nails eventually. Okay, so this is the last package. I ordered this one June 27th. It arrived August 26th. This is from the ANGNVA, I think it is, Professional Nail Art Supply Store. I don't know, my ink kind of ran together, so it's hard to read what I wrote there. And yeah, I got a little crush in the mail, but this one is for dip powder, but I thought it would be good for, sorry, I just bumped my camera. I thought it would be good for doing like sparkles and stuff as well. But having said that, I'm kind of concerned that if I use sparkles in this, it will like get all staticky to the sides. But so what this is, it's like a little tray. Oops. So you can pull out one and you can kind of reuse your dip powder. So you can like pour it on top and then put this guy back in. And meanwhile, you've collected all the powder here, so then you can reuse it. So you can just keep doing that with this, which is kind of cool. So you can see it just opens up. It's got like little shelves there for you to slide it in on. And I guess because you can open it up like this, it would be pretty easy to clean it out. So maybe you could use it for sparkles like I wanted to. But either way, I think it's kind of a cool item. Okay, so before I let you go, I thought we would test out this product and see how good it actually is. And I think since I opened it, it's leaked everywhere. Wow, look at that. It's like super metallic, which is cool. So at least it seems like it's living up to what it's supposed to look like. Ew, but it's like, yeah, I've created a mess already. That didn't take very long. Okay, so let's try this out. It looks a little streaky. We'll set it, we'll do a couple layers and see how it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna throw this in the light. So as it settles, it definitely looks extremely metallic. So we'll see how it comes out of the light. A second coat. So it almost seems like as it settles, it looks more like liquid metal. So I'm just kind of gonna let it set a little bit before I put it in the light and just see if it looks more like liquid metal. Like, do I need to apply more for it to do that? Like, what's going on? Okay, so I've kind of been letting it just sit for a bit. And as you can see, it's not looking as streaky as it was. So I'm just gonna continue to let it sit for a bit and we'll just see how long it takes for it to settle and actually look like metal. Okay, so I think I figured it out. You can see how metallic it looks. It looks really cool. And I haven't actually set it yet in the light. So the trick with this is obviously you need a much thicker coat on it. And then you just need to let it settle for a minute. And then it just comes together beautifully. Look at that. So I'm just gonna set it in the light and I'll put a nice top coat on it. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are all the products that I opened in this video. And here is the final set silver metallic polish. I think it turned out really well. So the trick definitely was to put a little bit thicker layer and then just let it sit for a minute so it settles and then put it in the light. And yeah, I think it looks better than the chrome powders I have. So let me know what you think, if you've ever used this product before, if you have any questions about any of the other products. Let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And have a Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye.